Every great outfit starts at the shoes, and today I'm going to show you how to take care of those shoes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Well-Rounded Dude. If you're new here, welcome. We cover a whole bunch of topics. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of those sexy shoes. We know that ladies love them, right? And if you got some dope shoes, you're going to lose their attention. So I'm going to show you how to take care of them, make sure that they're not dirty and that they're all up to date and looking fresh. So this step is really only for suede shoes. I have the Thursday chukka boots right here. If you guys know me, these are one of my favorite pairs of boots. I've had these for like 4 years and I've never done much to them. And you really don't need to. But what we're going to do today is clean them up with this brush. And we're going to apply a little bit of edge dressing. Not this one, this one's brown. We're going to use the black one. So a lot of guys don't know about edge dressing, and to be honest, I didn't know about it until a few months ago myself. Edge dressing is great when, you can see here, this is all supposed to be black. Edge dressing will take care of that. It'll get it back to looking like new. A lot of people only hear about shoe polish, and that's cool, but if your edges look like crap, the rest of your shoe looks like crap, and that's going to throw off your outfit completely. So we're going to start off by taking out the laces, and this is a good opportunity for you guys to check to make sure that your laces aren't frayed. If they're broken, now's a great time to get a new pair, get them replaced, but if they look good, and these look pretty good, you're going to get your brush and you're going to start brushing off any dirt on your suede boots. Now, you don't have to do this just because your shoes are dirty. Brushing your suede will make it softer and more supple. And one of the cool things about Thursday boots is that their suede has, it's been chemically treated so it repels water. That would be another step. I don't have the spray with me to give these another coat of that, but you know, after 4 years, they still work just fine. I don't need I haven't applied any of the spray, but they're still very much water repellent. So after you're done brushing one boot, we're going to move on to the next one. Shoe care is one of those things that most guys neglect, and to be honest, I do as well. It's just, you know, takes a little extra time, but it is so worth it. I mean, you can definitely feel the difference between this boot that I just brushed and this one that I haven't. It's just so much more softer. And it's still hard to believe that I've had these boots for 4 years and this is the first time I've done it. After your boot's all nice and clean, now's the time to apply the edge dressing. Now, this isn't just edge dressing. I know I keep saying edge dressing, but it's sole and heel too. So for your finer leather shoes that have leather soles, you can use this stuff on there too. That's why it comes in black and brown. But we're going to start off with this. Open it up. Now, what I would recommend you guys do is dab off some of the excess. Okay? Because you definitely do not want to over apply on this. You just want a little bit. Okay? And if you've applied too much, like I have, you can just rub it off. You can see right there. Yeah, you definitely want to dab off a lot of this excess that's on here. And just go around the edge of your shoe accordingly. These have a rubberized sole, so obviously I don't need to dress those, but as you can see, I'm going around. ever so gently. Guys, it is so worth the time to take care of your shoes. It's just that extra little bit of oomph that it gives to your outfit. Because remember, every little bit of effort you put into yourself, you're going to get, it's going to pay off tenfold in the end. Think of yourself like a house that's on the market. You want to take care of the property. So now I got it around the heel. I'm going to get the excess off. Again, you guys want to go with a light touch on this. You don't want to go very heavy because you'll have a lot of excess. And when it dries with that excess, it's going to come out looking textured. You don't want that. So I definitely recommend after you get some on, wipe off the excess because all it is a dye. Also, edge dressing is very inexpensive. Both of these bottles were like 12 bucks on Amazon. So you think about it, 12 bucks and your shoes are going to look brand new. Especially if you dropped a couple $100 in your shoes. It's well worth picking up these two bottles for 12 bucks, making them look brand new. Boom. Look at that. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this edition of The Well-Rounded Dude. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a look at these boots. They look brand new. It's amazing what a little bit of edge dressing and a suede brush can do for these bomb-ass suede chukkas, right? Guys, just a few helpful hints before we go. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Make sure that you're wearing old clothes because accidents do happen. I didn't do that because I have to look presentable for you guys. And let me know if you want to see like more shoe care videos. I could show you how I polish my leather shoes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll leave where I got the edge dressing in the description. I'll leave a link to it. It's on Amazon, but I'll do it for you guys. And please be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 gets you 15% off of our merch page. Also to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I probably should mention that too. Do all the social media things. Help us fight the YouTube algorithm. And we will catch you in the next one, guys. Alright, be safe. See ya.